My name is Nadine Campbell. I'm German and British. and I'm 40 years of age by now. I'm going to be 41 this year, and I'm really happy about that because every age or every number I add is a new level for me. It's like I'm leveling up, and I'm really happy because my face is like my brand at the moment. Yeah, back to the beginnings. I became a certified face yogi 2021 in November on the 16th. And I made the choice to start my own business straight away because I was self-employed for, at the moment, it's like 18 years. I'm self-employed as a dance teacher. I've got my own academy. I started out with my academy when I was 24. I built the brand Face Yoga Germany. And I started out last year. I went online only in February last year. And since then, everything went viral and really crazy. I started out with a little YouTube channel. I posted a little video, and I've got my Instagram, and yeah, I've been online on Facebook and did all the social media, everything I could, which was actually possible for me because I had no money to invest when I started. And yeah, everything from them went really crazy. Now I've got like 12,000 followers on Instagram already. I've been in a magazine, in the German Cosmopolitan. I've been in 2 different beauty magazines just 4 days ago. Again, I've been in a different magazine. Yes. And actually, I didn't really apply. Everything came to me, basically. On the first day when I had my certificate, I was telling everybody on Facebook, like, look at my face, how I've changed from the beginning to I had droopy eyelids and everything. And I looked really, and when you have seen me, it would have been like, oh my God, I need to hug her and make a cake. That's how I started out. And now I'm like, I'm a different person. And now I help women to become a different person and connect to themselves again. And yeah, my business is really growing. And nowadays, as an artist, you don't earn a lot of money. And from this background, everything has changed because now I earn within a month what I used to earn within a year. I earn 5 figures a month now. And I could have never imagined or expected everything to go and grow that fast. And I had no idea how to do an online business. I was searching for some help, and I'm really happy to have the Face Yoga community and have the connections to Fumiko and Maria, who really helped me and encouraged me. I was hoping to find a new way to get income. Yes, and yes, it was a surprise that it would be that much because I never imagined that. I never imagined that it would be such a big change in my life, because earning so much money is really changing everything. Because I'm not going crazy. I'm not going out and buying strange things, but I can invest. I invest in myself again. I invest in my business to make things possible. Because there's so much more I have to learn, obviously. You go step by step. I have a vision, obviously. I want to be well known and the biggest known in Germany, if possible. That's what I'm trying to do right now. And I want to show every woman who stands or looks or sees this interview now, you can do it. You can do it from scratch. You have to make the choice first. Go through your fears, and after that is your highest potential. That's what I have learned. Really, I was crying. I was like, oh my God, can I do this? And I went to the bank, and the bank said, no, we can't give you money because you're an artist. And there are certain rules and regulations, and you don't earn enough, so we can give you credit. Or things are quite difficult in Germany if you want to start new, and there's a lot of paperwork and office, and you have to knock on so many doors, and nothing worked out. But I knew I really wanted it. I had this choice, and I said, okay, I've got the name, I've got the email, and I really want to do it. And I do as best as I can day by day. I'm teaching from my living room, and everything is fine. And I'm still earning a lot of money just from nothing. Just I have my laptop, my light. Everybody who's joining TCC has these things. You don't need to add anything. Just learn as much as possible. Be like a sponge. Take everything in. Practice. Yeah, practice what you preach. It's very important that you do the things before you teach. And one foot after the other, and be okay to lose everything and to make mistakes. That's also fine, because you learn from it every time. And you can only improve and make things better. And sometimes it takes a week, and sometimes it takes a month in my case. And I started out with teaching one-on-one classes on the side of dancing, which was quite tough, because I had my normal classes with the other dance schools, and sometimes I was sitting here, and then it came more and more women came, and sometimes I was sitting 12 hours in front of my laptop, and I was, oh my God, I'm going insane. It's so many women want my advice, and I thought, I can't do this. So I changed my program again, and I thought, okay, I'm doing group classes now, and I wasn't sure if it's going to work out. And then I started group class in October, and then it worked perfectly. And that's the only thing I'm doing now, group classes, and it's great. I have so less work than ever in my life. I used to work 70 hours a week, and now I can't even tell you. Practically, I'm maybe an hour online, and the rest is just like learning things and organizing things and sending emails. So, but practically, face yoga, it's maybe 30 minutes. I'm with these women in a group, and that's about it. My dance school is still running, but I'm only there for one day in a week. I took all my classes. I scheduled everything so I can go on Mondays. My job, which I started when it started out as a hobby, long time ago, and then I decided to make it my business, and now my business becomes my hobby again, because face yoga is my new baby, and it's growing, and it's so much fun to explore and expand from month to month. Yeah, I don't count the hours because it doesn't feel like working, but I have free time now. I can go outside, take a walk, meet friends, meet my family, and recharge my batteries. I never used to do that. I always worked until I was like falling into bed, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. And now that's something that really changed. I slept in till maybe 10 or 11 o'clock when I was a dancer, because when you dance, it's like later, yeah, it's at nighttime when you go out, and then you stay awake and you get creative till after midnight. And now everything is so different. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night, and I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm fresh as a daisy, and I start my own face yoga workout in the morning. I meditate, do a lot of mindset work, so affirmations and stuff, bit of self-care, and then I start my online class at 7:30 with my group, and till 8 o'clock, and that's it. Then I start to send emails, and learn new stuff, read books. I read a lot of books, business books. I try to learn everything I never used to or never need to, because in a dance school, people come to you because they know they want to dance. And they just ask, where's the contract? Where's the price? How many hours? What day? And it's easy. People come to you because they know what they want. But with our online business, it's different. You have to tell people that you're actually there. And they need to build a relationship with you. It's the same when you choose to do face yoga, you go to Fumigo because she's the best. So you learn from the best, and then you can grow your business. And that's what I did. I talked to people, I tried things. It was a lot of mindset work, because you have to allow yourself to be successful. I think that was my biggest switch, because I was successful in a certain way as a dancer and a dance teacher, but I never earned that much money. And I think it's because, I know now, it's because I didn't allow myself. I didn't allow myself to earn money. And that was a thing that I never bought even myself like a cappuccino or anything outside, because I thought, no, why? You can drink it at home. That was my beginning mindset. I go by bike because it's cheaper, and I do this and I do that. And if you're not ready to invest yourself, people are not ready to invest in you. And that's something I really needed to learn. And when you start your face yoga practice, is the same. You start with your face first. You start to learn about your face. You start to learn about your issues and how you can change everything. And it changes not your face, it changes your inner soul, your mindset, your lifestyle. And once you've done that, you can do that and show other people. When you're one step or two steps ahead of somebody else, you can show the other people how to get there. And it's the same with the business. You have to allow yourself and invest in yourself first. And when I had no money, I asked everybody else, and I was surprised that there are people who believed in me they believed more in me than myself. Because they've seen my idea, that they thought, yes, I think this is going to be big. And so I got here a little bit, there a little bit, and then I had some money to invest. And yeah, that's how I grew, and very quickly. I only started February last year, and next month, it's only 1 year I'm in the business, and it's more than I have ever dreamt of. It's crazy, and I don't know, and I know it has so much potential that it will keep on growing. It's really emotional. It's the first time ever I experience work-life balance. It's crazy. Yes. And it's just fun. It doesn't feel like working. It's fun to explore and to develop. And I think the self-development and the change, that was really life-changing. And I turned 40 last year. There were so many changes. I turned 40. I got a business. I earned more money. It was crazy. I've been in a magazine. I don't know. There's no limit. There's no limit. I stopped limiting myself. And now I know everything is possible. And it's so much fun, because I'm really nosy and looking forward to find out what else is going to come next. If you have doubts to join the TCC, ask yourself, firstly, why you wanted to join in the first place, and listen to your heart. Because when your heart already said, just try to get out of your head again. That's one thing. The head is like telling us trillions of stories why we shouldn't do it. But if your heart tells you that you want to do it, that's already your answer. And then go through your fear. Go through your fear and just do it. You don't have to know what you're going to do with it at the end. I didn't do it. It's going to be a big business. Firstly, I wanted to do it for myself. And that's what you should ask yourself. Do you really want to do it? And if you ask yourself, close your eyes, ask yourself, do you want to do it? And your answer is Yes, I want to. And this is the right answer. And then you can start to make things possible. You have to tell the universe that you want to do it, that you really want to do it, and everything will follow. Trust the progress. That's the only thing I can tell you.